Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can flip your videos in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a video inserted into my timeline, and I'm going to be editing this video. As you can see, the original video is these two horses running to the left. However, let's say I want to flip this so that I can use it for another video, and for example, what you want to do is go into the edit tab, select the footage which you want to edit. In this case, it's the only clip that I have. And then you want to go into transform. As you can see, you have these flip options at the bottom, and all you have to do literally is just click those. You have this left one, which is to flip along the vertical axis, and the second is along the horizontal axis, and you can flip them in whichever way you want. You just use those buttons to easily flip them, and when it's highlighted, that means the flip is actually on, and when it's grayed out, it's off, and you can see that on the preview anyway. But yeah, that's pretty much all you need to do to flip your footage. It's as easy as that. You can possibly muck around with the transform options if you want. However, I won't be doing so since I don't have any options which can change that. As you can see, these just change the pitch and the yaw. You have the anchor point as well, which changes the anchor point, which I'm not really sure what it does, but it does change the anchor point. You have the rotation as well, but if you want to flip it, you could change the rotation to 180 degrees or minus 180 degrees, and that will flip it on a vertical axis or horizontal axis as well. But these buttons are just enough for what you want to do. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.